super, super, super agree. Kahit tumaas yung dollars, kung hindi talaga magiging smart yung isang freelancer or virtual assistant when it comes to the services that they offer, hindi mo rin mararamdaman yung taas ng dollars dahil sa mahal ng bilihin, mahal ng bills and everything. Kaya smart freelancers don't chase dollars. We offer high value services kagaya ng lead generation where alam mo yung tutulungan mo yung clients na maghanap ng prospects, grow their sales, para alam mo sa sarili mo na natutulungan mo yung business ng client and at the same time mag-grow ka with the company. Kasi kapag ka revenue related yung role mo, mas madaling makipag-negotiate ng better pay. And ang kagandahan nito, bukod sa non-voice siya, madalas kayang i-offer to ng naka-retain na. Monthly na lang yung usapan ninyo ni client, touch base na lang ganyan. Now, if gusto mo ng skill na in demand kahit na ano pang economic standing ang meron, I highly recommend you check out lead generation. Napaka-importante nito even if hindi ito yung service na i-offer mo as a virtual assistant or as a freelancer kasi pwede mong gamitin to para maghanap ng sarili mong clients. Manta-target ka na talaga ng sarili mong clients. Kung galing kayo sa BPO or corporate tapos gusto nyo na talagang mag-shift to freelancing, listen, lead generation is one of the most in-demand and sustainable VA services right now. Kasi kung ikaw tumutulong ka sa paghahanap ng prospects, leads, and future sales nila, hindi ka nila ganun kadaling mabibitawan lalo na kapag ka na-master mo siya. Hindi to cold calling ha. This is strategy, research, and systems. Bagay na bagay siya kapag ka may corporate background. And kaya rin naman siyang pag-aralan kahit wala ka pang experience or never ka pang nag-work ever. Anyway, if gusto mo ng skill na madaling ibenta, mataas ang value, and pwedeng maging long-term retainer with clients, this is your sign. If you guys want to join, mag-comment na lang kayo dyan ng lead generation. In case na hindi mag-send automatically yung message after 1 minute, mag-message na lang kayo sa page namin and we'll send you over the link to join. 999 pesos lang yan, may kasama ng internship. So mapapractice nyo talaga in real life kung ano yung pinag-aralan nyo during the live session. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home and follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!